Folks, welcome to Best RV channel. Now I'm Mario from Best RV in Turlock, California. What's today behind me is the brand new 26ICE. What's the 26ICE? It's a brand new 2026 Forest River Wildwood. As you see, beautiful Wildwood travel trailer by Forest Rivers, 26 feet. It's a bunk model where you have double over doubles in the back with the bathroom, a nice living room slide out, and RV King versatile bed in the front. Now, Wildwood, especially on the ice, they provide you a unique options and features, and I'm gonna go with it with you today. Now, as you see, there's a 3 big piece panel. This is solid metal with a diamond plate or, texture metal plate in the front. And then you have the pass-through storage, as you see right here. Full storage with the laundry chute. But it's very hard to me to show it to you in the sun, but you have a beautiful, nice LED light here, as well a beautiful another LED light here. It's so bright at night, and it makes it so cool, especially when you have that power awning with LED light. So you have a LED light on the power awning, LED light on the side, another LED light in the front of the side. Outside fridge, they give you everything you need. You have a fridge outside, they give you outside shower, hot and cold. They give you a place to put your 32-inch TV right here, and they give you the bracket, the hookup, 2 GPL speakers. They provide you also with the LP Connect for your outdoor barbecue, electric stabilizer jack, 2 in the front and 2 in the back. So everything is powered. Power tank jack, power stabilizer jack in the front and the back. And there's also, here's the back switch. And then the nice thing about this one is sit higher off the ground, so it's help you easy to get in a gas stations or in a deep area. A 3-step more ride to get in, so 3-step to get in that unit. And then you have the nice textures paneling on this unit. Sandy flush, black tank flush, everything is the hookup is in the back. Power or hookup. You have the black and gray dump valve right there. And this is where you slide out. And then you have the endless hot water here. Let's go, folks, inside and show you the brand new 26 Forest River Wildwood 26ICE. It is ice. It's like I need a whiskey on an ice. I'm inside the 260ICE because this trailer gives me a chill. It is really a game changer on the bunk model trailers, because what they did here, none of the other brand they offer to you, and it's amazing and clever how they did this one. Everybody give you a bed in the front and a double over double with a bathroom in the corner, but nobody give you this here. What I'm sitting on is a nice, beautiful dining table, and it's expandable dining table, because if you notice right now, I could go a little bit up, push it more, I get a shorter, and I only see 2 people. And then also when you travel, you don't have to do it, just slide it in, put those 2 chairs, and it's gonna be, this is a traveling mode. But show me a travel trailer with a fireplace. It has a beautiful fireplace. Even I'm sitting here on the sofa watching the TV, I have a beautiful heater fireplace. Today is hot days, but I turn the light. If it's cold, I could turn the heater elements. But it's amazing the amount of counter space they give you, and the kitchen, and the amenities on a 26-foot travel trailers. Plus, Best RV supported with the price, guarantee you, not dealers north, south, west, middle, they could match that price, because we have an awesome deal on the 260ICE for you. Now, show me a bunk model. It comes with a big TV bracket, and you could bring it on electric. So as you see, I'm pushing the switch, TV down, counter will be closed, and I raise the blind, and I have a big window. Voila. Load this, raise this. Look how beautiful this, just a second. Look how beautiful. Look the amount of counter space I got. Look the table I got. It's amazing. It is amazing. Everything is hidden. I could see what's going on outside. The separations between the bunk area, the dining and entertainment center, and then you have the kitchen and the master bedroom. But who thought about this one is very slick, because all you do, you have to slide this back. I could add more chair if I wanted around here, so the whole family could sit. So I could sit people around this table. And what is always family is the best thing, the best moment when the whole family sit around a big table and eat and laugh and joke. That's the best moment when you have a family with the kids. And also, you want to sit and eat and enjoy a beautiful big TV and watching the game while you're eating, or watching a movie while you're eating. It's right there. Big TV you could add facing your bunk area. If the sun is in your way, no problem. We're gonna solve this issue by lowering. Hold on. Voila. I have full privacy. Facing the TV, I have a sofa, 3-seat sofa. And again, this is a jackknife sofa turned to a bed. You don't need it to make a bed because you have two big double over there. Easy to sleep 2 people. And these double over double, they give you a handle so you could go on the top, no problem. As well, they have lights, 2 lights, windows, so it's very roomy. And then the bottom one, you could use it for storage also, so you have plenty of storage. Going down this way, the 3-seat sofa, this is jackknife sofa. And again, sleep 2 kids or 1 big adult. And what they give you underneath it, just what I really like, they give you also bins for storage. You have, by the way, 3 bins. 1, 2, and 3 bins. Voila. But this is what is still this unit. This is very clever and slick. Now, they give you shelving here. I love this ICE. Wildwood they do, always with the hidden LED light. Coat hanger right there. And we're going to the kitchen. This kitchen hood, you cannot find it unless you go to fancy houses. Well, guess what? You have it in the 260ice. It's very solemn metal, and voila! Look what's behind it. A nice stainless steel microwave. Everybody think it's a big motor hood, but they still give you the hood. Here's the light, here's the fan. Very clever. Nice 3-burner range for you. With the oven. Place for your trash can. And they give you tinsel doors. Right here, tinsel door, brand new. And you want more pantries? Place for food, cooking pans. Here's another pantry. These are the pins. There's this. And also more storage. And, oh, by the way, sorry. Let me just bring it to you. Place for trash can. You could put it here or you could put it there, but they give it to you. 10.7 cubic foot refrigerator. No worries, you have 200 watt solar panel. I love this modern LED lights. Fan. As you see. And then you have coming to the bedroom. It's a master bedroom with a big pocket door. I love the curve on this door. It's magnets. Now, this is a slick. First, they give you a place for a second TV right here. So there's the TV backers, and you put your bracket. They give you 2 coat hangers. And king size bed, 66 by 78, versatile. They give you step to sit on it. So for me, like I'm a short, so I could sit and enjoy watching the TV against the wall, or I could just kind of read my book. I have my reading light. I have a place here so I could put my cell phone when I charge it. It's amazing. And then you have a full closet here, right there. All the top is the storage. Oh, and by the way, I like the steps, so no excuse not reaching. I'm short, so I like what they did, those 2 steps. Full storage there and shelf. So, and then this bed is lift up. Voila. So as you see, they give you bins for your socks, underwears, and so on. As well, the storage outside, you could access it from inside. They give you, I want to show you here, a laundry chute. You could throw your clothes and grab it from outside, and you don't have to do that. But this is the beautiful versatile, a king size bed. So fireplace, king size bed, versatile, TV tilted up and down with a bracket. You could put 60-inch, 50-inch TV, nice counter space, nice LED light outside, all power jack, 200-watt solar panel, power awning, AC. What's left? This is a nice trailer. And price, shop, shop, shop. When you give them Best RV price, they're gonna drop their chain to the floor and they say, we don't know how Best RV making it. We making it because we want you to be happy and putting your dream on the road. And that's what we are, our goal. Good service before the sale, good service after the sales, no hidden fees and low prices, better finance rate, so make you happy so you can bring your family and enjoy it. Back to the versatile. Even when you bring the bed down, you still have a plenty of room. Voila, 60 by 80, and I still have plenty of room to walk around the bed, no question asked. That's how they're beautiful. Very efficient in the AC, they give you a good one. I'm turning the AC, it's amazing. Here's your controller for the 30 amp solar panel, USB plug, GPL speakers inside, outside, everything controlled right here. Now let me show you the bathroom. Wow, wow. Look how beautiful this shape, mirror with LED behind it. Place for towels. When you wash your hand, you have place to hang your towels. Medicine cabinet for the kids. Plenty of room for your, and then more storage. You could use this for linen. And then they give you a nice shower. But I really like this nicer door for the shower compared to the other brands. Big skylight, shower head. Another towel rack. When you step in from the showers, you have your towel ready for you. It's amazing. It's amazing. The 260ICE, they did it right. Also, they don't waste any space. Like for example, storage here with more for the kids. They could put their stuff on it. So they don't waste any space. So even the entertainment center, they add more doors. Even the other side of this table, they give you storage. Look how deep it is. So, and also, people, they ask me that questions. And I'm gonna demonstrate it because I know you're gonna ask me that question. How the heck you close the slide out and you have a fireplace in the middle with a kitchen island? Let me show you. First, you slide this all the way back. And by the way, there's a pin. I wanna show you. So there's a locking pin. You put the pin right here, okay, and you push it. So nobody could open it while you're traveling. Like if a kids decide to open it and you don't know about it, you put this pin. So now they cannot open it. You slide this chair in. You slide that chair in. Now you notice it's very clean. And then I come over here and I close the slide. Now notice how the slide is gonna close and nothing is gonna move. And no issue with the fireplace in the middle. No issue with the kitchen island in the middle. The one who designed it is super clever. If the cameraman give me his camera, let me open it for him. Okay. Now the slide out, the nice thing about the slide out is I could stop anywhere I want. So, and nobody noticing. So let me close it. So you guys, I'm doing this so you could see because some customers gonna ask me that question. How the heck are you gonna close the slide out and you have a fireplace in the middle? Voila. And you could see the slide is closed. Nothing interfere with the slide out. Nothing interfere with the fireplace. Nothing interfere with the kitchen island. And there's a one point you're missing. If the cameraman, I wanna show the cameraman, is when you walk in here, you could get to your bathroom even if the slide is closed. So even if the slide out is closed, as you see here, I could get I could pull on the side of the road and get to my bathroom and do my business, and no need to open the slide out. So this is a plus, knowing that is you could have access to the bathroom while you're traveling and no need to open the slide. That's a plus, especially with the kids. Always, you know, they say, oh, dad, mom, I want to go to the bathroom. Okay, well, pull on the side of the road, let them do their business, and no need to open the slide out. That's a plus for that trailer. Also, if you don't want the TV to be hanging while you're traveling, very simple. You push the switch, TV go down. I'm really excited about this. This unit is going to do really good for 2026. I have a positive feeling. And voila, look how beautiful it is. I mean, and also nobody noticed. Sometimes the customer is going to say, nah, you talk too much. But these kind of borders, the dividers, the extra hanger, the infinity, the nice middle shelving, it's make the unit more livable, make it more modern, more contemporary. It's worth every penny. And when we have this unit for $32.99, shop as you must. Shop. Do the doubt for yourself. No one in the state of California will give you brand new 2026 Wildwood 260ICE for $32.99 except Best RV in Turlock, California, and no hidden fees, and free get ready package, and free dealer prep, and free full walkthrough. And we show you slide in, slide out, awning in, out, TVs in, rack in, out, hot water, hot, cold is cold. Everything running and function, hot is hot, cold is cold. And we spend minimum 2 hours with you to show you everything, and we don't charge not even a penny. A penny we don't charge. Other dealers, I heard the other day customer bought one from us. The other dealer told him, if you're not gonna charge, I will not charge you dealer prep fees, but anything I need to fix in the unit, you have to pay for it. I told him, excuse me? It's a brand new unit. I fix it under the manufacturer warranty. So if the customer tells me this is not right, I'll change it for him. The manufacturer will pay us to change it to you. So we're here to take care of you. We're here to make your dream on the road. We make it more affordable with no any hidden fees. So it's worth for you to drive the extra time and grab this unit and put it on the road. Coming in.